What's up, guys? It's Raf in the Rafcave. Thanks for coming by and checking out this video. Hope you guys had a great day. Another video for you guys, an unboxing of something else that I added to the Rafcave experience. This is Audioquest DAC amplifier, which is USB, meant for your computer or your mobile devices, and it's going to greatly increase the performance of your music tracks by bypassing your computer's internal audio DAC. Getting this guy makes all the sweetness out of your music. So with me doing streaming and stuff like that, I wanted to improve the performance of my headphones, which are on the way, by the way, the V-Moda Crossfade 2s. Can't wait. Rose gold. I want to plug those into something fantastic. So checked into it. The Dragonfly Black is a USB DAC plus preamp plus headphone amp all in one. I'll read you some specs here. Dragonfly Black. Beautiful sound from any mobile or computer device. USB stick size digital to analog converter. Medium output, 1.2 volt. So there is a Dragonfly Red, which actually has about twice the output for power. So if you have some super kick-ass, audiophile headsets that have a huge ohm impedance and all that stuff, you probably want to upgrade to the Red. For my V-Modas, they don't really require a ton of power, so this guy's good. Half price too, right? Okay, let's continue. Plays all music files, MP3 to high definition, drives headphones directly. Variable output drives powered speakers or power amp, which is probably what I'm going to be doing because I have that Teak amplifier, which I did a video. I kind of showed you a picture of it when I did my Sony earbud video. Fixed output feeds preamp or receiver. Asynchronous transfer ensures digital timing integrity. Ooh. So if you look on the side here, folks, look at this. There's a few adapters you can get. That top one is like it's a USB extension. The second one is an Android phone to USB. Third one down is a jitterbug. It's a noise filter if you want to improve even more noise or decrease more noise from your USB outputs. Then you have a various RCA to 35 millimeter stuff. And then the bottom is just a diagram of how to connect it to your stuff. The other side, there it is, the Dragonfly Black, USB in, headphone jack out. A few things on the back, which I'll read for you. Beautiful sound from any mobile device or computer, with an increasingly large variety of websites and applications from which to choose. We have far greater access to music and movies than ever before. Mobile phones, tablets, laptops, and computers can all serve as gateways to this ever-expanding universe of audio and video content. Unfortunately, those wonderful devices are not specifically designed to perform as high-fidelity audio source components because they lack the quality of parts and sophisticated circuitry that would allow them to preserve valuable musical data. Just true. Some more stuff on the inside, guys. Whether connected to an Apple or Windows PC or iOS or Android device, Dragonfly bypasses the device's compromised audio circuitry to deliver beautiful sound to earbuds, headphones, desktop speakers, or complete audio systems, allowing the smart device to perform as a true high-fidelity audio source. Now for more versatile and portable than ever before, Dragonfly Black lets you hear all the emotional expression and nuance that makes your favorite music and movies so enjoyable. Compatibilities are: plays all music files MP3 to high res, compatible with Apple and Windows PCs, compatible with iOS devices, Apple camera adapter, connection kit, compatible with Android devices, requires a USB adapter for Android devices, which is a little dongle thing. Drives a wide range of moderate to high efficiency headphones, which I will have. Analog variable output drives powered speakers or power amp. I'll have to look into that. Fixed output feeds preamp or AV receiver. So I'll have to somehow get into the fixed output. Features: 64 position digitally controlled analog volume control, asynchronous class 1 USB device data transfer with stream length protocol, direct coupled digital analog circuitry, minimum phase, digital filter, and more natural detailed dynamic music. Specifications: 41 kilohertz up to 96 kilohertz. Suggested minimum load impedance is 12 ohms. No problem there. All right, guys, that was a reading from Raf on this wonderful packaging that Audioquest has given us. Now for the unboxing. Let's see what's inside. First thing is just a warranty card if you send in. The inside. Ooh. So Dragonfly USB DAC to preamp. Got Dragonfly red and black. Those are the two out there. I have the black one. The red is twice as powerful for those extra power hungry headphones. On the inside, just, various content and descriptions. Nice color booklet. And looks like gives you a diagram for the computer. Hopefully that Windows will automatically pick it up. There we go. Yep. So you have some Windows, and there's Mac instructions on the inside, which I'll definitely need to get and use. And here we go. You have the Dragonfly Black USB on top and a nice leather pouch for traveling. Very nice. Feels like real leather. Nice Dragonfly symbol on top. And there you have it, guys. The Dragonfly Black. The headphone jack on one side, and the all-important USB on the other. A little bit of weight to it. It's definitely heavier than a standard USB stick. I like that. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to hook this up to my PC. I'm going to run through the various settings. Hopefully I can set it to a fixed output because I want my teak to have all the power to my headphones. All right, guys, before I go, there's an important update to download when you get the Dragonfly Black connected to your computer. You want to download the Audioquest Dragonfly Black software, device manager basically. Just go to Audioquest website, go to the device, and there's update prompt. Here, hold on, let me see if this works. Hold on. All right, guys, if you can see this, you go to Audioquest, Dragonfly series, and then go to updates. And when you scroll down, you select your operating system, you agree to the terms, and then you download software. Okay, so once you do that, then you see the device manager open up, and then basically check for updates. So my current version right now is 106, latest version is 107. We'll just double check again. Yes, update. I hope this looks okay, guys. This is the first time I'm doing a direct screen capture on the Rafcave videos, so it's awesome. The update was successfully completed. Press OK. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I have listened to a few songs with it off and on. When it's off, the volume is a little bit lower, and the same song, Aaliyah, by the way, I can hear her lips smack more with the Dragonfly installed. And there's a crisper highs, which means the instruments are better sounding and there's more separation of audio and it's just more detail. And of course, it's a little bit louder. And that's just right away plugging it in. The difference is definitely there, guys. So before and after, there's a difference. I'm excited. I love this thing. I am now set for better audio to my headphones when I get them. All right, guys, just wanted to put that in there. Update the software first and then enjoy the Dragonfly Black. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. Again, I appreciate it. If you like this video, click another one. Home theater rules. Rafcave out.